action. Youth for climate action.
The government should help in providing resources for such plantings, and then for the community should desist from deforestation, because deforestation is one of the major causes of climate change.
So the government has got a big role to make sure that the policies are implemented. Like example, NEMA is a custodian of this riverbank, whatever, but they are trying, but they are not implementing fully as is required. The MCA Act should be reviewed and be implemented.
Planting of trees is serving humanity. We have a slogan of service to humanity, and we say that when you plant a tree, you save a life.